Hi guys, it's Julie coming to you today from a suburb called Huntingdale. Just thought I'd bring you another suburb profile to add to the list of suburbs that I'm sharing with you. So Huntingdale is a suburb 20 kilometres southeast of the Perth CBD, and it traditionally started around about the 1970s as a suburb. So there's some older 1970s houses in this suburb, as well as a big influx of houses built in the 1990s. So a great suburb for renovating because there's a lot of older houses that are dated and in need of love. A lot of the newer houses in this suburb are on very small blocks, so if you can find a house on a decent sized block that needs renovating, it's going to be desirable for first home buyers once it's renovated, because you've got backyards. So what I like about, well, just a couple of the key facts and figures with Huntingdale is that the median house price for Huntingdale is currently $405,000. This time last year it was only $348,000. So there's actually been 28% growth in the past year, which is pretty good. When you look at the neighbouring suburbs, the lower price suburbs that it surrounds, Huntingdale is now the most expensive of those suburbs, and it also borders more expensive suburbs like Southern River and Canning Vale, which are in a much higher price bracket. So if you're looking at ripple effect suburbs, this could definitely be one. As you can see, there's a bit of bushland in the suburb as well, which is always really nice, and it looks like a really nice family orientated suburb, just from the bit of driving through that I've been doing at the houses. I've just seen a gorgeous renovation that one of my colleagues is doing, and I'm very excited to see how that sells, because I think it's going to sell really well. As far as supply and demand goes, there's currently, the number of house sales over the past year was 167, and there's currently only 45 houses for sale in this suburb. So it's 4 times the amount of houses that have sold in the past year than what's currently on the market. So once again, really high demand. We've got really low stock in most suburbs here in Perth at the moment, and Huntingdale is certainly one of those suburbs. So I hope you've enjoyed that little expose on Huntingdale, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.